Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Altima emblem. Removing an emblem can refresh your vehicle's look, and it's a straightforward process with the right preparation. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a heat source like a hair dryer, some fishing line or dental floss, a plastic pry tool, and an automotive adhesive remover. Having these items ready will ensure a smooth and efficient removal process. Before you begin, thoroughly clean the area around the emblem with soap and water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, it's time to soften the adhesive. Use a heat gun on a low setting or a hair dryer, applying heat evenly across the emblem for about 2 to 3 minutes. The goal is to make the adhesive pliable, so the paint should feel warm, but never too hot to touch, preventing any damage. With the adhesive softened, carefully slide a piece of fishing line or strong dental floss behind the emblem. Use a gentle sawing motion, working slowly from one side to the other to cut through the adhesive. If you encounter resistance, reapply a little heat. For any remaining stubborn spots, a plastic pry tool or an old credit card can help gently lift the emblem away from the paint, ensuring no damage occurs. Once the emblem is removed, you will likely have some adhesive residue left behind. Spray your automotive adhesive remover directly onto these sticky areas. Let it sit for about 1 minute to break down the glue, then gently wipe it away with a clean microfiber cloth. Repeat this process until the surface is perfectly smooth. Finally, clean the area and apply a fresh coat of wax to protect your vehicle's paint.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.